SADC's potential response, a balancing act. The Southern African Development Community, or SADC, plays a crucial role in promoting stability and democracy in the region. With a history of mediating conflicts and upholding human rights, SADC's response to the situation in Zimbabwe is likely to be multifaceted. It will aim to balance its commitment to Zimbabwe's sovereignty with its responsibility to uphold regional principles. SADC may choose to engage in quiet diplomacy, using its influence to encourage the Zimbabwean government to respect human rights. Additionally, the organization might issue public statements calling for restraint from law enforcement agencies. The actions of SADC will be influenced by various factors, including the severity of the situation in Zimbabwe and the consensus among member states. The response to Zimbabwe's handling of the summit will have significant implications. It will send a message about the organization's commitment to human rights and will also shape its relationship with the Zimbabwean government. Indeed, SADC faces a delicate balancing act, needing to address concerns while preserving regional unity.